Okay, I can't be the only one that's got one of these Dewalt 25 quart coolers and really hates the handle. And when I first got this for Christmas, even in the box, the handle was laying at the bottom of the box. It had already come disengaged. And I pulled it out of the back of my truck a couple of times, and just the weight of pulling it on the side, the handle pops off. So, racking my brain trying to figure out what I can do to make it better. Get rid of that. And I went online and searched another cooler. And the people over at Grizzly Coolers has this cool handle that they sell for their, I think it's a 20 quart or 30 quart or something cooler. So I said, I wonder if I can make that work. So it does. You can go online and find out. There's other videos on YouTube here tell you how to install it on their coolers. This cooler is made a little differently, and it has two small slots instead of the one that's in the Grizzly cooler. But it works just the same. All I did was take it apart just like it shows you in those other videos. Take this small strap. I'll take this one off. Take this small strap. There's one on each side. You take that off, and I ran the part with the loop in it, with the eye, up, and then this one up the other way, and then just cinched it off like that. And then all you do is just put it together like it shows in the other videos for the Grizzly coolers. Bring this guy back up through here. This guy back down through here. And now you have a nice carrying handle, shoulder strap, however you want to configure it. It has a nice handle here, or you can throw it up over your shoulder. Works great. Hopefully that helps you, and you can get more use out of your Dewalt 25 quart cooler.